Hey everyone, I wanted to make a quick video and tell you guys about a scam that I have been made aware of. I had not planned to go live on a video tonight, but I really wanted to get this out. There is something going on where people are impersonating me and commenting on your comments on my YouTube channel. So the picture on the reply is my picture, but the name is not my name. It's some random weird name. And so I have put a post out on my community page with a screenshot of this, and I'll add a screenshot into this video as well so you can see what that looks like. But I want to warn you, I think this is a bot scam, meaning it's computerized, and they could change that name. So here's the deal, you guys. We have to be so careful because there are so many scams online. My YouTube channel has not been compromised. Nobody has my login. They've taken a screenshot of my picture and made it so it looks like me in the comment. And so here's what I want you to do. If you ever get a response from me on anything you comment on, I don't want you to stop participating in our community. I don't want you to feel like you have to stop commenting and all of those things. I don't want to let them win in that way. So here's the deal. When you get a message from me, if you get a message from me and I'm asking you to do something, always send me an email first to verify that it's me. I will never send you anywhere else but my email. There are times I've responded to people in my comments and said, hey, if you want me to help you or you want to know more, send me an email and we can chat offline. And I always give my email address in that comment. My email is heywigsister@gmail.com. If you ever get a message from me with a different way to contact me, email me to heywigsister@gmail.com. If you are friends of mine on Facebook or you follow me on Instagram, you can always direct message me through Facebook or through Instagram as well if you have those things. But I'm not ever going to tell you to go to a special app or anything like that. I will communicate with you directly. That's why I created an email address, and I want you to always have a way to reach out to me directly if you need help, if you have questions, or if somebody's trying to impersonate me to scam you. I just want to make sure that you're protected. So just be careful. A lot of these scams get people because they say that they've won something. And, we get so excited, we think we won something. And, I do occasionally have giveaways. And so it wouldn't be impossible for you to have maybe registered for a giveaway and then won it. But again, I'm not going to send you to an app or to some random email address or anything like that. I'm always going to send you to my Gmail account, heywigsister@gmail.com, so that you can reach out to me directly. And quite frankly, even if you do that and you're not 100% confident, ask me if you can text me or call me to talk to me directly, or we could do a video call. Instagram allows video, almost like FaceTime or Zoom meetings. You can do that on Instagram. You could do that on Facebook. I don't have an iPhone, so I can't do FaceTime, but we can find a way to do a video call. So if you're ever getting something from someone and they claim to be me and you're just not certain, ask them for a video meeting. That will tell you right away if it's me or not, because if it is me, I would never hesitate. But if it's not, then that person's suddenly going to stop communicating with you, and then you'll know that it's fake. So that's what I wanted to get on here and tell you guys about this scam. Check out the screenshot that I'm going to include so you know somewhat what it looks like. I've deleted all of them and reported them. There could be more coming though. And what happens when someone replies to your comment, you get an email that they've replied to your comment. So I can't delete the emails. And so you may still have those in your email, but I have reported and deleted all the comments that I can find, and I'll keep looking for more to get rid of them as quickly as I can. At some point though, if it is computerized and it's a bot, I may not be able to keep up with that. That's why I want you guys to protect yourself. But again, I'm hopeful that you won't just say, that's it, I'm out of here, I'm off YouTube, because we're building such a great community. I think we help each other so much, and that means they've won if they cause us to kind of get out of here. So I hope that doesn't happen, and I'm trying to give you guys a good solution so that you know that you won't be taken advantage of, at least when it comes to me and my accounts, because I am always willing to talk with you or video talk with you to verify. So if the person's not willing to do that, then you know it's not me. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I hope I wasn't too confusing. This was very much off the cuff, but I felt the need to get this out here quickly since it's happening in real time. Thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great weekend, a good Father's Day for all the fathers out there, and a great upcoming week. Love you all.